Hello dear aspirants. In our previous classes we have discussed educational measurements and its implications in our school curriculum. And today we are going to discuss about the meaning of assessment. You know, in education setting we all are bounded in a burden. We cannot overcome that. We are bounded with rules and regulations. So when we deposit some amount in our account, bank gives us some amount of interest. According to this, when we give some knowledge or we teach some knowledge or we give some information to our pupils, then we have to evaluate their strengths and weaknesses, in which area he is lagging behind, and how can we foster positive attitudes towards them, and how can we improve them in their learning. So that is why assessment is an important aspect in teaching learning process. According to Dictionary of Education and CV Goods, assessment is the process of ascertaining or judging the value or amount of something by use of a standard, or appraisal includes judgment in terms of interval evidence and external criteria. And according to Thorndike and Hagen, the term assessment is closely related to measurement. It is in some respect more inclusive, including informal and initiative judgment of pupils' progress. Assessment is describing something in terms of selected attributes and judging the degree of applicability or suitability of that which has been described. And some eminent psychologists like James M. Bardfield, according to him, assessment is the assignment of symbols to phenomena in order to characterize the worth of value of a phenomenon, usually with reference to some social, cultural, and scientific studies. Dear aspirants, we know when we teach someone or some pupils in a classroom atmosphere, we focus our curriculum rather than teaching, rather than knowledge constructing, rather than availability of resources. We are burdened with a curriculum and syllabus. We have to end such courses in time. That is the teacher's duty in a restricted manner. But if we really emphasize the pupil's potential and pupil's interest, then a teacher can introduce his or her own curriculum beyond than administrative curriculum or school's curriculum. And according to this, assessment or evaluation is more reliable if teacher introduces his or her own criteria and method of assessment. The students, the learners, we are thinking of how can we promote quality education in the state. That is why assessment plays an important and vital role in a progressive manner. So I think a clear-cut solution will be possible if we give our full effort and we dedicate our time and we frame our objectives and teach accordingly. Then everything will be possible. Thank you so much. We'll see in next videos. Once again, thank you.